Hello to all the machine learning enthusiasts.
Hi everyone, my name is Parsa and I just finished my second year studying computer science.
I am Guru and I am a PhD in string theory.
My name is Sepide and I'm a master's student at the University of Waterloo.
I'm Hamza. I am a PhD researcher in machine learning.
I'm Manav and I'm currently pursuing my master's in electrical and computer engineering.
My name is Mohammed and I'm a working professional at one of the Canadian banks.
I am Syed Mushbasan Rizvi. I am pursuing PhD in computer science at FAST University Lahore.
Hello, I am Shima Kamyab and I hold a PhD in computer science.
I originally applied for this course in order to better understand LLMs and various other tools I work with on a day-to-day basis as a developer, and to also potentially pivot my academic journey into machine learning post-graduation. One of the key takeaways from this course was a deep mathematical understanding of the various models and methods covered, thanks to Prof. Karimi's clear and comprehensive teaching methods. Not only this, but I also left with a tool set that allowed me to pursue many other machine learning topics outside of class time in my own interest.
I chose to enroll in Machine Learning Essentials course because I wanted to strengthen foundation in machine learning and explore its practical applications. I thoroughly enjoyed participating in this course. It covered a wide range of topics from basic machine learning principle to advanced techniques in deep learning, computer vision, and NLP. Professor Amir was exceptional in his ability to convey complex materials in an engaging and accessible manner. His expertise and passion for machine learning were evident in every lecture, and I could get the ability to think intuitively about how different algorithms perform.
I took Professor Amir machine learning course to deepen my understanding in machine learning. Since I have strong interest in AI, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and natural language processing, this course was a natural step to build on my skills and knowledge in these areas. The course provided me a strong foundation in machine learning topics such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, model evaluations, and optimization methods. This course also enables me to gain practical experience through hands-on assignments, which has helped me to fulfill my professional responsibilities.
I decided to take this course to revisit and enhance my foundational knowledge in machine learning and explore new directions and perspectives for using in my current projects. I found this class very valuable. I enjoyed attending each session in which Professor Amir tried to establish interactive sessions, and there was every day something to learn from.
I am currently doing research on large language models. The ML Essentials course taught by Professor Karimi of the University of Waterloo has provided me with a solid mathematical foundation in various machine learning models, while also offering comprehensive coverage of a wide range of topics. And I am confident that this will lead to a significant improvement in my research.
The course was really informative and it covered a wide range of topics in machine learning which are fundamental in my opinion, and the instructor was very knowledgeable and engaging and he did a great job at explaining different contents. One of the things I valued most about this course was digging into the mathematical foundations of machine learning, because exploring the reasoning behind each formula and delving into the underlying concepts are the most important and interesting things to me.
I believe machine learning and data science is now part of our life, and it's getting extended to a lot of use cases that we deal with on a daily basis. And on that note, I think Dr. Karimi provides an exceptional opportunity, especially if you have a background in engineering or mathematics, to get introduced with fundamentals and common techniques practiced in this field.
I took the course mainly because I was interested in how to teach machine learning. I also wanted to freshen up on subfields of machine learning I had not visited in a while. I learned a lot from Professor Amir and in how he kept the class engaging and interactive. I also ended up revisiting concepts of machine learning, often with a new perspective.
Who would benefit from this course?
I would strongly recommend this course to anyone interested in fundamentals of machine learning, as I have seen students at all levels from undergrad to PhD benefiting from this course.
So I would recommend this course to people who have a deep mathematical background as well as a strong desire to learn machine learning topics from the ground up, as it is quite a unique course that explores both theory and application in its purest form.
I highly recommend this course to anyone interested in diving deep into machine learning, whether you're a student or a professional looking to refresh your knowledge. This course offers invaluable insights, and this will be definitely helping in your career moving forwards.
I recommend this class for anyone who wants to enhance its knowledge to a higher level in machine learning.
I would recommend the course to anyone who wants a primer on machine learning, assuming you have the prerequisites covered to some degree. I'm talking about linear algebra and vector calculus.
I offer this course to whomever that thinks about machine learning and is interested on getting an introduction about this field, to get to know contributing names, and more importantly, come up with a structured plan on reading and learning beyond this course study material.
I would like to recommend this course to anyone who pursuing his career in AI, machine learning, or data science, especially students and professionals who wants to strengthen their mathematical and practical skills.
I highly recommend this course to anyone who is passionate about learning these concepts like me.
At the end of this course, I want to thank Professor Amir-Hossein for their hard work and dedication to teaching and sharing knowledge.
So have fun learning, and I would highly recommend this course to anyone who is passionate.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.